Our Battle Series is known as one of the most reliable products in fishing. Time after time, the Battle has been able to handle the workload. So how could we ever improve on that sort of reputation? Well, we did. Our newest Battle 3 series features a stronger, smoother, and more durable reel than ever before. Boasting our proprietary CNC gear technology, allowing for the reel to be smoother for longer, and the reliability of our signature drag system that's able to work harder and last longer. With the ruggedness of its full metal body and side plate, keeping all gears in alignment under heavy loads, the Battle 3 truly has the guts and the drag to handle some serious abuse. And it's designed to handle any type of line and is braid ready. This is the reel that's gonna get the job done no matter what. Whether it be inshore, surf casting, or offshore, or for the weekend warrior, or the demands of the everyday fisherman and charter captain. Cast with confidence, knowing that your gear is tough. The Battle 3 is available in a wide range of sizes, and there's a model for every kind of angler at our ultra-competitive price point. We've said it once, and we'll say it again. Get out there and let the battle begin.